everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a really exciting video. I am so excited to finally announce that I have opened up an Etsy shop. This is something that I've been wanting to do forever. I think I started during the school year. Beginning of this school year, I started doing some designs and things, and then I just figured, you know what? I need to go ahead, I need to just do it. So every artist has a style, and I feel like mine has come from my love of watercolor painting. I also really love silkscreen printmaking, and I've combined those two kind of then with also my newfound love of the iPad Pro and drawing digitally and painting digitally. So I have a bunch of the products that are in my Etsy shop, and I'm going to be showing it to you guys. I will also leave the link to my Etsy shop below, so please go ahead and check it out and support my Etsy shop just like you guys always support my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And then of course I will also be putting my Instagram below too. That's always there, but that way you can kind of see updates from my Etsy shop. Whenever I make a new product or anything, I will put it on Instagram. So all the artwork in my Etsy shop is original and drawn by me. I have some sticker sheets, I have individual vinyl stickers, I have pins, and I have a few bookmarks. As for sticker sheets, I have 5 that are available up on my store right now. I have one called Can't Touch This with some succulents and cactus. I have one that is all camping themed, perfect for summer. I have one that is called Spring Watercolor Flowers. And then a unicorn with the quote, "You are magical." And then the next one is one of my favorites. It's called The Basic Teacher. All of my vinyl stickers are individual, and I have a UV laminate protectant over it, so these are really, really durable. So the first one that I have is Frida. Then I have that same "You Are Magical" sticker, but I have it in the vinyl. Here's the close-up of that one so you can see it a little better. This one says "Relax and read more books" with a Ray Dunn mug for the relax. I love the ones with quotes, they're my favorite. This one is a succulent, and it has "Let's root for each other and watch each other grow." If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me posting these throughout the year. That is what I was doing. I was drawing to hopefully create these into products that I would put on my Etsy shop. So here's this one. 2 more vinyl stickers that have quotes because, like I said, they are my favorite. So this one says, "Today I choose joy." Then this last quote sticker says, "Love can change the world in a moment." This is actually a quote from Ed Sheeran, one of his songs. And then this last and final vinyl sticker that I have up on my shop right now is for all you PA people out there, or I should say like East PA people out there. It is an eagle sticker. Okay, let's dive into these pins now. So all the pins have a butterfly clasp on the back. Comes with this cardstock, and these are the same images that you would have seen. I just used that image for a different type of product. So here is the Frida one. Then I have 3 succulent plants. And then this one is on the sticker sheet. Made that one into a pin, and then this one is also from the sticker sheet. And this one is again for my Eagles fans out there because it is the love for Philadelphia Eagles. I have one more pin. This is the "You Are Magical" with the unicorn, but there's also some glitter in the finish of this one. They are all, I forgot to mention this, every pin is finished with a coating of resin, so they're really durable, they're really shiny and glossy, and like I said, that unicorn one has some glitter in it too. In addition to the stickers and the pins, I do have 3 bookmarks on my Etsy shop as well. The first one is this teapot that is pouring out wildflowers. And then this one is that "Love can change the world in a moment" quote, just in bookmark form. And then the last bookmark is this little girl that says, "Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers." The name of my Etsy shop is very similar to my YouTube and my Instagram and everything combined. It is Creative Scribbles Co. And again, if you follow me on Instagram, that is where I'll be posting updates of new designs that I come up with and different products and stuff like that. So don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well, so you can kind of like see what I'm doing on Etsy, but also follow my teaching journey and just life journey as well. that was the update for today. I'm so excited that I have opened this Etsy shop and I am starting this journey. You know, YouTube has been such an amazing part of my life that I started in January, and I also wanted to say that I am so grateful that I hit 1,000 subscribers I think 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. That's amazing. Like, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and always commenting below, and you know, I just love this community, and I've been loving getting to know everyone on YouTube and the community, and also all of my viewers. So thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I can't thank you enough. I love when you comment below and just getting to know everyone, so thank you. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and also like and comment below. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.